Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Panama City local and long distance movers near me. When you choose a long distance moving company, you want the best available. You don't need to be worried about the crew having enough experience or getting tangled up with a moving company scam. The FMCSA regulates interstate moving companies. They recommend that consumers obtain estimates from at least 3 licensed companies before deciding on a vendor. 3Movers will send a representative to your home to review the move details with you and submit a thorough inventory and detailed price quote. Our guy will explain all the terms and answer all of your questions. The local mover you hire might not need to register with FMCSA, but definitely check that they are a local company with excellent customer reviews like 3Movers. Don't settle for an estimate over the phone by someone in a call center thousands of miles away. Our representative knows the local area and has experience in moving households like yours. We will send someone to assess the move scope and give you an estimate of the price, based on how much time our guys need to do the job right. We will explain the services you can add, like packing help and storage, and we can give you some tips to make the project go more smoothly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Panama City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.